Nakuha ng mga nakadilaw. At eto na, ang best player sa kanilang last outing, si John Dabo. What a spin and what a shot by Danny Marilao. Napakabayis ang mga pangyayari. Tingnan na lang yung layup and the finish of Jula Casti Santos. 36-25, 11-point lead na po. Malaking mama ang iniwasan itong sa Aglitia. Sa loob.
Yes, partner. And also makikita natin patawa-tawa sila. They're enjoying the game, partner. Yun ang wala dito sa Jose Panganiban. So, again, nasa circus.
Circus shot. Wala kay, Pada. What a beautiful pass to Acopio. From Joke
Sabi ko lang, partner. So, gano'n na nangyayari, partner.
So, San Vicente is getting a dose of his medicine. And so as San Vicente. Again now, it's a 6-point lead for Daet. Again, tumanlangit, malangit. And that Pinoy step was successful sa act from Acopio. Roldan, wala. Nakunan niya Horda bola. Binigay kay Malinaw sa unahan. Oh! What a shot! Go through that and score. Oh, muntik na naman makascore doon ng mga taga-Vinsons. Pero ayan, tumatakbo na si JP Lanzaderas and he was fouled making that shot. So he will try to complete a 3-point play dito. And there you go. Sumabit talaga doon. Ang katawan na maganda yung factor na nasa loob dito. Kanina, isa sa mga rason siguro yun kung bakit ngayon balago na yung kalamangan ng mga taga-Daet. Placida to Justin Sentin. What a beautiful play. Isama mo na yan sa top 10 plays of the week. The Placido Sentin connection. Baalya sa Mercedes ang bola eh.
Mukhang this Bragais is giving us so much fun in this game. What a drop dive there sana ni Mandak. But Bragais to regain his glory. What a behind the back pass by Bragais.
What a play for Jenmar Bragais and Ofracio for the finish.
A nice moves there by our referee as well. Natin yung tawag. Ito yung play kanina. Behind the back pass, recognizing that Ofracio was running.
And he's playing here sa Camarines Norte. Dito sa Mercedes as a ayan. As a dunker. As a guest player.
So, hinihingi yun ng mga tao sa kanya. So, this is 4 seconds remaining on the clock. Oh, it's a jump! Partner for Mel Gogoso!